Hi guys, welcome to ASA Technical. Have you ever seen that annoying message, secure boot is not enabled, your PC won't boot because of secure boot issues? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to add a secure boot entry in UEFI BIOS step by step using PowerShell. Whether you are facing missing boot entries, secure boot errors, or Windows not booting, this guide will definitely help to fix the problem. So let's get started. Before making any changes, let's check if secure boot is enabled or missing. Here's how to do it. Go to search box and type msinfo. Now scroll down and you will see current secure boot status. If it says enabled, it means secure boot is working. Or if it says disabled, it means we need to enable it in BIOS. Or if it says unsupported, it means your PC might be in legacy boot mode instead of UEFI. If secure boot is disabled or missing, let's fix it. But before proceeding, make sure your current Windows BIOS mode is UEFI and make sure your motherboard is UEFI supported. If your current BIOS mode is legacy, then here's a certain tutorial for you. Once you confirm, then you can start by manually adding secure boot entry in the BIOS. Every motherboard is a little different, but the steps are generally same. First, restart your PC. While booting, repeatedly press F2, F10, F12 or delete to enter BIOS. Now navigate to boot, security or advanced settings depends on your motherboard and locate secure boot and enable it. Then look for boot options and click add new boot entry or select an UEFI file trusted for executing. Select UEFI partition and browse to this path. Select your boot disk, then UEFI. After that, Microsoft. Next, select boot. Now finally select boot mgfw.efi and click on OK. Name it Windows Boot Manager and click on OK. And save changes. If your BIOS does not let you manually add the boot entry, don't worry, let's fix it using PowerShell. First, open the PowerShell as administrator. Type bcdedit space /enum space firmware and hit enter. If you see Windows Boot Manager, boot mgfw.efi, then fine. If it's missing, don't worry, let's add it manually. Now type this command bcdedit space /set space start curly braces boot mgr close curly braces space path space /efi /microsoft /boot /boot mgfw.efi and hit enter. Now type shutdown space /r space /fw space /t space 0 and hit enter to restart your computer and check once, hopefully your problem will be solved. If this method did not work for you, then again open the PowerShell as the administrator. Now type Diskpart and hit enter. Next type list disk and hit enter. After that type select disk, choose your main Windows drive number and hit enter. Now type list partition and hit enter. Next type select partition, your UEFI system partition number and hit enter. Next type assign letter equals is and hit enter. Now type exit and hit enter. Now run this command bcdboot space c:\windows space /s space /s space /f space /UEFI and hit enter. Now verify the boot entries and check if the secure boot entry is now available. Type bcdedit space /enum space firmware and hit enter. Next type shutdown space /r space /fw space /t space 0 and hit enter to reboot. Now check once if the secure boot is now enabled. Okay, now as you can see the secure boot status is enabled. And that's it. Now you know how to add a secure boot entry in UEFI using BIOS settings and PowerShell. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.